at ShopRite right now. I told you guys that I'm coming to ShopRite to spend my birthday. This is when I just want to spend on my last card to get me ò ṣe rẹ́rìn mo ṣe fẹ́ ṣe léèní àwọn ọ̀gá mi ló gbé mi jáde. I will show you my boss soon. Alright, let me go to ShopRite and go and enjoy myself. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n lọ ṣe shopping. You get it? Let me go for shopping. MJT. I'm Ebenezer Dogme by name, but people used to call me MJT. I'm popularly known as MJT. MJT làwọn tèmi mọ̀ mí sí. Májẹ̀mú tuntun àwọn tèmi dá mi mọ̀. You know, I really enjoyed today because my boss, Mr. Abdul, I really appreciate him for taking me out for today because today will be the first time in history. First time láyé mi tí màá kọ́kọ́ that I will feel I'm alive. If people, most people, they used to celebrate their birthday. They used to enjoy. I don't know. They used to feel happy. Whenever they say they want to celebrate their birthday, I used to look like I imagine that. Okay, why are they celebrating birthday? Doesn't mean anything. But glory be to God. Today will be my first time going to the biggest ShopRite in Western Africa. My boss took me there. Yeah, Mr. Abdul took me there to go and enjoy myself. Hey, NJ, take my ATM card, enter ShopRite, get anything you want. General similar, buy anything buyable. Even if I won't buy car that day, even today, if I won't buy car, I will buy a car because ATM will give me nothing not there inside. Now money there, get my phone. So I'm really appreciating him for giving me the opportunity, but I'm gonna be judging anyone. Yet, so what I'm still going to achieve in future, I know it's going to be more than going out for a shopping. Yet, but in one back that I get something, that I bought something good. Even I got a phone, but I'm not going to allow it and I'm not going to show it because he asked me not to do it. These are everything you're doing it coded. I never kidnap them. Today is my birthday. This is MJT, and this is my first time going out for shopping. And in fact, I think it's gonna look so fantastic. Boy, ló máa mú wine get. I'm big boy, ló máa mú everything. I need any king. Yeah, I think I prefer drinking any king. Wow. I need any king. Like seriously. Today, I'm gonna spend my money on any king. How many am I gonna buy? I think I'm gonna buy a lot of anything. I'm gonna enjoy myself today. Today is my birthday. Yeah, actually, what I do for a living, I'm a musician. I sing Afro, Juju music, and if you listen to my music, you know, yeah, there's talent. And at the same time, um, I'm a director of photography, a cinematographer. I shoot movie. I've shot a lot of movie, and art as well. So thanks to my boss, Mr. Abdul, for giving me this opportunity, to come to ShopRite. Look at me. When I entered ShopRite, I was confused. Like I was moving everywhere. I don't even know where to go, even where to move to. I was moving left, moving right. I'm confused in the sense that I don't know what to do because it's my very first time of going out for shopping. Like on my birthday period, like before. But if you see the video, check the video. See I'm moving around. But check it out. When I came out, I came out with some with good things. I'm still chilling with some things where you can join me. Join MJT. Look at me as someone that is very happy today. I'm very happy because my boss make me happy. I'm the happiest person in the world today. The happiest person in the world today. You get so thanks to my boss. That is my boss, Mr. Abdul. Yeah, Mr. Abdul, that is my boss. I really appreciate it. Good man. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for your comments. Thanks for your encouragement. I really appreciate so much. You can patronize me if you want me to come to your occasion to come and sing. If you want me to come and shoot your music, both music video, film shooting, skit, whatever thing you want, you can reach me online. You can contact me if you need any of my assistance. My boss, Mr. Abdul is a rebranding manager. Rebrand, even if you want to rebrand your company, nah. I never say as the company. If the company reach the whole world, call my boss. He's going to rebrand everything for you. He know much about rebranding. He has been working for many companies, and in fact, people are testifying to it. He helped me out today. Glory be to God, Almighty God, and I thank my boss one more time, Mr. Abdul, for taking me out for today to go and enjoy myself on my birthday. Kó ṣẹlẹ̀ rí, ó ti wá ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ẹbí máa jẹ́ nìyẹn. Ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ̀kọ́ rí pé mo kàn ń sọ fún ẹni mi ò kí ń ṣọmọ òyìnbó. Kí ló kọ́ mi pẹ̀lú òyìnbó? Ọmọ Yorùbá ní mi ti bílẹ̀ wa. Tí bá ní ẹ̀yin tè kó má ní bá èsì ẹ̀yin dẹ̀gbà ẹ̀ máa ní bá wà pé máa jẹ́ nìyẹn. Orúkọ mi lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ni Ebenezer Ọmọdékúnlé, popularly known as MJT. Èyí máa jẹ́ ọjọ́ àkọ́kọ́ tí máa kọ́ experience pé èèyàn jáde, èèyàn lọ ṣe fàájì, èèyàn take time ẹ̀. Kò wá jẹ́ pé èmi ni mo ṣe lágbára mi. Ọlọ́run rán àwọn aláàánú sí mi, my boss, like Ebenezer, I want you to feel happy. Ó máa rí mi, mo kàn máa wà múdì, mo kàn máa jókòó ni. Èèyàn kan lè máa jókòó kí èèyàn máa ronú pé kò sówó àbí kò. My boss is trying for me. That's why the fight is giving me money. But share my family. At the same time, I said, no, Ebenezer, ma spend owó nínú account there. I'll take you out. One ShopRite, that biggest ShopRite in the Western Africa. Like one bello, kò lọ ṣe fàájì, mú kan jẹ nǹkan tó bá wẹ̀. Báyìí tí ẹ̀mí ra nǹkan tó bá fẹ́ ra mọ́tò. Wáyé mo rí mọ́tò ní ShopRite, wàláhì máa gbé mọ́tò jáde. Nínú opportunity mo yá wọlé, mo ṣe fàájì mi. Alright, now fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá láǹfààní pé fẹ́ rebrand àwọn ọjà yín, both online, whatever thing you want to do, that you need a branding manager, ẹni tó mọ̀ pa tó lè bá yín brand, tó lè bá yín ṣe ìpolówó gidi gan. Ẹni ọjà ni ẹ̀yà fíìmù ni ẹ ṣe sport ni any company ńlá ni like ShopRite, you can contact us there. So thanks for joining me. Orúkọ mi ò yí padà títí làwọn tó ń pèsè mọ́ mi sí ayọ̀ tí àwọn tó ń dání ẹ̀ ṣe.
Ọmọ bàbá ládùúrà òbí ló ń ṣọjọ́ ìbí.